Today's video is about driving fails, how to not drive and bad drivers. As usual, there's a bonus video at the end.
Do not hit me!
What's up?
Driver obviously was not paying attention and came very close to ending his or her life. Thank God a vehicle was not coming in the other direction, giving our driver time to avoid the wreck.
Do not hit me!
Person at fault lied to police until police seen dashcam footage. Then he was charged.
Do not hit me!
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Car was totaled and 3 different insurance companies told me I was not at fault.
Current loop video is now locked.
Hamilton, Ontario. Luckily, this seemed to be a pretty minor collision caused by someone obviously not paying attention to the big-ass bus next to them. Unfortunately, I was running behind and could not stop to provide the footage. However, I am sending a link to HSR, so they have it in case it's needed for insurance reasons or something. vehicle lost control and crashed into a concrete barrier.
Unstoppable today. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
What are you stopping in the middle of the... middle of the road for?
A distracted driver's side swiped a parked car, ripping off the front bumper and mirror in Brooklyn, New York.
I got you on camera, man. It was your fucking... It's this fucking idiot. It's your fault, man. Yo, I saw you, man. It was your fault. this guy... He's pretty cool. Here, learn to use blinkers. Learn to use a blinker, bro. Learn to use a blinker. You're fucking retarded.
I'm sitting at a traffic light, and the driver decides to speed in front of me to pass without looking.
The Secret Service plays a critical role in protecting U.S. and visiting world leaders, but it needs to partner with local and state agencies to carry out. Ow! Kevin Nally is the Secret Service's Chief Information Officer.
If the President says to
And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.